Finally, let's have a few words about the design library. For those who attended or watched the video from the library feature workout we did a few months ago, you might realize that the design library area can be defined based on file locations you give it. For those who haven't seen it, it is actually a very simple matter to tell the design library where to find things. The design library has a series of folders. These folders are simply folder locations on your own drive. If you would like to specify the location of a folder, hit the library books with the sun rising on it, and navigate to the folder that you want to define. In my case, a folder called Gearbox in my working directory. Now that I have that, I can find my Gearbox folder and simply drag and drop components into my assemblies as necessary. If you want to save components to your design library folders, you could simply do a save as command and navigate to the locations that you might have. But there's a simpler way to do it. For example, I'm going to expand the default design library area, which comes with SolidWorks, and I have a folder in here called My Stuff. To make your own folder, select the design library area that you want, hit the Create New Folder, and it will make a new folder. In My Stuff folder, I have a couple of examples from a previous discussion, but I'm going to save a copy of the cover with the mate reference. Quickly, I'll make the mate reference by adding to this edge a default reference so it can snap, drag, and drop from that circular edge to something else in my assemblies. And then, instead of doing the Save As command and trying to navigate to that folder, I'm going to expand the design library area, push the pin in so it's tacked onto screen, and then drag and drop the top icon of the Feature Manager tree for my cover. You can drag and drop to the open folder area in the lower section or to a specific folder above. An Add to Library routine will come up after a second or two, and you're simply saving a copy of this part. You can give it a different name if you wish. Sometimes people will make a local copy of what will be a part in their library and then give it a part number when they drag and drop it to their more formal design library feature folders. But again, this is a standard library, a standard part, not any kind of an LFP file or anything else special for drag and drop into assemblies. Just making a copy of a part file, which happens to have a mate reference defined in this case. And I will accept it. Now I have a copy of this cover in the design library area that comes with SolidWorks, or again, any other location I might choose to define. I'll close that. I don't have to save changes to the local copy because I put this on my design library area. And I'll use that now by dragging and dropping it to my assembly. Note it's snapping to edges. The tab key will adjust the hole pattern matching as before. And I'm finished. I hope you enjoyed this video on mate references and smart mates and found something useful for yourself. If you have any questions or would like to get any more information on this topic or any other topics or training that we have here at Graphic Systems, please don't hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-454-2233. That's 1-800-454-CAD.